In this video, we are going to show you how to turn off in-app ratings and review prompt boxes on your iPhone when you are using it. Let's get started. It is annoying when silly rating and review prompts interrupt your phone usage in between. Even more, constant reappearances of these prompts ruin your iPhone experience as well. This is more possible if you are a user who has a lot of apps on his iPhone. But fortunately, these in-app ratings and review prompts can be silenced properly. To do that, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and find the App Store. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find In-app Ratings and Reviews. Once located, tap on the toggle next to it to disable those irritating ratings and review prompts. That's pretty much it. Hopefully, you won't be bothered again by these review and ratings prompts on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos curated just for you.